friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be a fun one. I'm just going to do like a quick kitchen clean, and then I'm going to get right on into decorating for fall here in my kitchen. I'm so excited. I've had all of this stuff here waiting to get put out, and today is finally the day. If you guys did not see my fall decor haul, I will have that up in the cards above. Make sure you go and check that out. But today I'm just going to be doing my kitchen, and then I'll probably do another decorate with me for the living room, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But I thought this will be fun, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. I'm excited to get this stuff out, so if you're ready to see how I decorate my kitchen for fall, just keep watching.
Come to the water where you will find peace. Take a step into the river and get down on your knees. Come to the mountain while taking in the view. You will find that life is greater than you knew. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight, I will fight. Oh, you're broken and you're shattered at the point of no return. You pick up the pieces and you let the bridges burn.
So the kitchen really wasn't that dirty. I really just needed to put some things away and wipe down the counters. So right here in the corner, I wanted to switch out that little round stand with this two-tiered stand that I picked up. And obviously I'm gonna have to keep my little Echo Show here. So I went ahead and put that on the bottom. And honestly, I sometimes try to do a little decorating before I start filming so it doesn't look like I'm totally clueless, but this time I didn't. So I am probably going to look like I'm clueless because I just didn't know where I wanted to put this stuff. I kind of knew what I wanted to use as far as the decorations that I recently purchased. I knew where I wanted to put them, either in the kitchen or in the living room. So on this little tier stand, I did use quite a bit of my filler pieces, and what you see that I used here is not how it ended up being. So you'll have to stay until the end of the video to see exactly what I decided to put there, which is basically everything. But I did add another little canister. And I just had problems like with just trying to figure out the balance of the whole thing. I didn't want to put too many things that were too big on there, but you know, just kind of fit just right. And this was a great opportunity for me to use my new Scentsy warmer. I just think that it's really cute as far as the colors and just how small it is. I thought it was just adorable. So of course I wanted to use that there, and it really worked. But I do think that maybe I will switch out a couple of things on here. Maybe that pumpkin, I'm not sure yet. It still looks the same way right now, but every time I go into the kitchen, I'm like, do I really want that there or not? You guys will have to let me know if you're that way when you decide to decorate as well. But I knew that I wanted a copper piece right there, so I did use that. And then since I had my little Scentsy warmer there, I did decide to go ahead and open up one of my new scents. And this one is called First Day of Fall. You guys, it smells amazing and so delicious. Every time you walk in my door, that's exactly what you smell. So that is what I decided to go ahead and burn in there. And then at first I was like, well, I'll just use that little tray over on the other side of the counter. And I did not like it, so I just put it back the way it was. Our counters aren't that big, so I just felt like it took up a little bit too much space, so I decided to take that down. And over on the oven, I decided to switch out my hand towels with this gorgeous mustard colored one. This is probably my favorite fall color. You guys will have to let me know what your favorite color is for fall, but I just think it's such a pretty color, and I wanted to show as much of the towel as I could because I do love the color. I was thinking about maybe adding a plaid one on top of it just to kind of, you know, switch things up a little bit. But over top of the oven, I did switch out my signs, and I used the smaller sort of bronzy pumpkin sign that I picked up. I do like it there. Sometimes I think it might be a little bit too small for that space, but it has not moved, so I guess I do like it. Usually I'll let it sit for just a little while, and then if it bothers me, I'll move it, but I really do think it looks cute right there. So now I'm just going to move on over to my dining room table, and I'm going to switch out my runner with the new one that I just picked up. It does look a lot similar to the one that I just took off, but the pinstripes are a lot smaller and it does not have the tassels on it. So I figured I would go ahead and switch it up, and then I'm going to get my new stuff over here. You guys are going to have to let me know what you guys think. It did take me a little bit to figure out how I wanted to place these things, but I'm not quite sure if I want to leave it this way. I don't know. It's just, I do like it, but I don't know. I'm kind of thinking of something different now. So I am going to have a couple more fall decorating videos here on my channel. So you guys are going to have to come back and see if any of this changes.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
As you can see, this wall and this shelf gave me a little bit of trouble. I honestly did not have the plan on keeping that sign up there, but the things that I did have, I didn't feel like it really filled up that space like I wanted it to. So I decided to keep it up there, and honestly, I really love that sign and I love the way that it turned out. But this is how the tablescape turned out. I do love it, and I honestly did end up cutting the little stems there, the wheat stems, a little bit, probably about an inch or so. That way they could fit the space a little bit better. And I think that truly did help it out a lot. I also did add this little canister to the tiered shelf here just to kind of fill up a little bit of that space in the back. And I really do think that it looks cute just the way it is. But this is kind of just like an overview of how everything looks here in the kitchen. It is simple, but I did switch up the color scheme that was in here. And I just think it looks really good. I do enjoy the table. Like I said, the more I look at it, the more I do like it. But I do kind of have an idea that I wanted to put that in the living room, so we'll just have to see if any of that changes. Again, I'm gonna have some more decorating videos coming up next on my channel, so make sure you're subscribed and make sure you have your notification bell on and come back and see what all I do. But for now, I love you and appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Tuesday morning, sun high in the sky, and I felt free.